I've already started streaming. Has it reflected?
Yeah, live.
Help me check
But
out
we have a black screen.
black screen.
But it's like it's okay. Yes. It's live now.
Okay. What of the audio is it stopping?
Let me check. Yeah. It's working.
Okay.
You can hear it, ba?
Yeah, I can hear it.
So I think we are good to start.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
from what I said before, the orange bar, the one that has the screen that has orange bar on top is your preview screen. Then the one that has
Salem,
sir?
so Slomo, is it possible for because I came to chapel and nobody's here and there's no way I can enter inside. Can I go back to my office and connect?
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will take me like 5 minutes. Is it possible? Just you can be talking, but what why I'm telling you so that I will ask question again from where you.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Yeah. Because I think that's the best way. What you guys suggested, if you stream it online, so that they can come on later and learn it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But me, I want to learn my own now anyway. So let me rush back to my office where I have stronger network.
All right, sir. Okay, please start now.
Okay, I should start.
Yeah.
Right. Sir Sunday just joined us, so let's welcome him.
Yeah, that's a good one. And please, I'm happy he joined. Well,
Let me start from the beginning. Mhm. This is the VMIX application. I'll be showing you how to make your way around the interface. When you open your VMix, this is the first thing you see. If you install it and open it, this is the first thing you see. So the screen on the at the right at the left hand side that has orange bar on top is your preview screen.
sir, I think you should mute your mic. Oh, your mic is
More powerful.
okay.
Let me this. Yeah.
Okay.
But let me mute myself.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
On top, the live screen. You are lost. These are your transitions, different transitions you can use for
Seen it before.
the network went out. So, okay, so I was saying this is the transition, the one in the center here. This is what you use to push your output from the preview screen to the live screen. This,
I think you should mute your mic.
sir?
Continue. No. Continue.
Okay. So, but the one we need is this one. You're not.
On your phone. Dragging the network. Meanwhile, we can see your screen now.
No problem. So okay, as I was saying, when I press this add input, can you see the add input options? Huh?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, continue now.
You can see the add
Where is
input
your?
options.
Is it where your cursor is on multi-coder?
No,
Is
like
that where the add input is?
I'm saying, if I open the add input options, does it is it showing on the screen?
Okay. You've not opened it yet now.
Uh, let me. You have to. Sorry. Can you see my the add input options now?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is for your video. The list for video. This is for DVD. Then this one, if you want to add list of videos, list of videos or audio, like plenty video or audio at the same time, you can add from here. Then this is where you add your camera. I'll still show you people how to connect um, digital camera and also wireless using your phone too. So this one is NDI and local desktop capture. Then you can add images from here. You can add photo. You can add PowerPoint slide. You can add a background, like color background. You can add audio like music, any music or any audio inside. Then you can import audio, external audio, maybe from your mixer or from somewhere else. Then this one are text style designs. You can use for your that has animation. So different text. Uh, then this one you can add a web browser to VMIX. You copy the URL and paste it here. You will see it on your VMIX. So and other ones too. So let's add a video. Let's add a video. So if I add the video, you see the name on this green screen here. This is a video. They wrote the name, the MVM logo. So if I click on it once, it will show on the. So this on my video. If I click on it, it will come to the previous screen once. If I click on it once, it will come to the previous screen. So let's say I want to push this one to the live screen. I click on it once. Then I come to my transition. Any of this transition I want to use, you click on it. I can even use this one too. This one is for if you want to like blend the two of them together. Blend the two of them together. So that is for the. I hope you guys understand.
Yes, yes. For me, I understand. I'm following.
No problem. So let's add image. Image. Okay. This image. Then if you want to push it to the live screen, you either click one of these ones here to come to the live screen. So let's add camera. Let's add camera. Whenever you are using whenever we want to add camera using phone, we use camera. If you are using webcam, but you want to use NDI, the NDI option is here, this one. But let's use camera first. The webcam we'll use is iReal webcam. I can also add my system camera. If I open it here now, see, you see it's HP webcam. This is my system camera. So let's add the iReal webcam. To connect in order to make the connection, you open the app on your phone and on the system, and make sure your devices are connected to the same network, to the same either hotspot or router. Once you open the two of them and they are connected, it will automatically show, like you automatically connect. You don't need to do any other thing. So let's come to our VMIX and add it. You come to your camera here, not input.
Yeah, I'm safe now. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, let me start from the camera again.
Okay.
Let me start from where I started from input. I said
Uh,
we added video. You can add video from here, this option here.
okay.
If you add it, you browse for it. You press browse. You select the video you want to add. Then once that's added, you press OK here. Sometimes some people don't see this option down here. I don't know why, but you press OK. Once you press OK,
That's a video.
yes, let me add a video.
Is that a video in the system?
Yes, a video in the system. So let me
Yeah.
add a video.
Okay.
Let me add a video. Let's say this one. So once I've added the video here, these ones are the ones I added before. So you press
Yeah.
OK here. The video will show. So I said if you want to anything that you want to put on your preview screen, use your preview screen here. This one with the orange bar on top. Yeah, this one is your live screen. The one on the right with the green bar on top. So anything that you want to put on the preview screen, you click on it once. It will come to the preview screen. If I want to add this image, like I said, this leaf image, you click on it once, it will come. If you click on this number two input, it will come to the preview screen. So let's say I want to add this my preview my preview screen to the live screen. I use this transition options here. I can choose to use cut. Okay, let me add this video here. I will use this cut transition. If I want to add this one back again, I'll use cut and to change back. So anything I want to change, you want to push anything that's on the preview screen to your live screen, you use the transition options here. You can also use this one too. This one you can use to blend it together. So both of them looks different.
Okay. Okay, what of can I ask question?
Yes, sir.
Last Sunday, I think, when I told Divine to go there, I noticed something that whenever you click on fade to move in the other one,
Mm-hmm.
it will not move. Uh, Although there are many on this other the down part where you have all the input camera.
Yes.
We find out that is there a way to set number one, number two, number three, all those things? Because whenever you click fade, it didn't fade in, I mean, feed in the other camera.
Maybe it did not fade because something was already covering the screen. Let me show you an example. If we are using these options here, these options that are this one, two, three, four.
Uh-huh.
If I click on it, one,
Yeah, it should show green. Yes.
it will show green. Then, if you now want to put on nothing, let's say
Hmm.
I want to put this video like this video here now, and I press fade.
Yeah.
It just
Yeah.
fades.
That's what.
So
Okay.
if you don't, is this video you put, this one now you put here is overlapping in
Hmm.
front. Is in front. Is in front of the
Okay.
is in front of the video. So the video is behind the image, so you can't see it. If you
Okay.
want,
So you have to remove that green stuff.
yes, you have to remove the image in order to see the video.
Hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. And when you now fade, it will work.
Yes, so you now fade, it now work.
All right. All right.
So
Because at a point they were struggling with it, and yeah.
let's come back to our inputs. So I
Okay.
said this way you can add different inputs. So
Yeah.
I was about to add camera before you came in. So this is the camera option. The camera option is you use it whenever you want to add either maybe you are using a mixer or you are using a digital camera, like the camcorder we wanted to buy before. This is where you add your input. This is the
Okay.
camera option. I can add my HP camera from here. So for I want to add our webcam. So you add it first. So this is the
Okay. That's why you add the iron wake
yes,
up.
this one the road camera, not input. Oh. Input is always default. Input is always default. Camera is you see the camera option. The iRay webcam supports four four camera inputs.
Yeah.
So if anyone you add first will be the first one. So this is the iRay webcam, first one. You add it. Then the resolution, depending on your system capability or capacity. My system cannot handle the higher resolution. So that's why I use this um, 6 640 by 480. So it's to know the one that your system. Um, Let me try using this 1920 and by 1080. Okay, it's supposed to, but the video is lagging a little. It's lagging a little. So,
Okay. So
but there are some
okay,
systems.
that's
There are some
that.
systems
Yeah.
that
Webcam.
yes,
Mm.
there are some systems that don't support low resolution. So let me take it back to 643 480. Then this one is your frame rate. Normally at about 50i. First one. So just this one is the audio device option. Audio device. You can decide to use the audio from the phone you just added, or you can block. You can turn it off from here. So this is the audio from the phone, but I don't want to use it. I'll turn it off from here. None. Choose the none option.
Yes.
Okay. Then there's no other thing you need to do. Just come to here and press OK. So
But the NDI camera is from that add input
yeah,
down.
I'll still come back to the
Okay.
NDI camera.
Okay.
So this.
Okay.
to my camera now. So
Mm.
if I want to put it to the preview screen, I'll click once, it will come. Anything I want to put to the preview screen, I'll click once, it will come there. I'll click once. Then if I want it to go to the live screen, I'll click the transition button. Then it will go. Normally I like putting my video screen at the first one. It will be the first, so that I'll put it
Yeah.
here. It will be the first one so that it will be here.
Mm.
So let's add something else. So let's come to audio input. This is where if you want to add audio from your mixer, using capture card. I'm coming. Let me get my capture card, my audio card. Sorry. Yeah, who is that? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the type of capture card we use. This is the type of capture card we use in our church. This particular one here. So that's two ports here.
This capture card, is it in place of no, it's not that mixer that we have now.
No, it's not. It's not this. It's not this. It's not the same type. That's a different type. So once you plug the capture card,
Mm.
the system will detect it. Then you come to your add input. You come to audio input, not audio. Audio is when you want to add something like music or message. So this one is for audio input. Come to audio device. There are different audio device, but this one is this sound device for USB PNP sound device. So the first that's added. So I've not connected anything yet to the sound. That's why it's not showing anything. So that's it for the
Okay, so sorry, Salem,
add
what is the need for that capture card?
extension
What do
called
we use it for?
XAML.
Salem, can you hear me?
You can add
Hello?
your this spinner, then other text
Salem.
combination.
Salem.
He's not hearing again.
Salem, there is a question. No?
So any question?
Yes. Can you hear me? Salem?
Any question?
Yes, there's a question. Solomon, but you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. I don't know. Maybe his network is giving him issues.
He
I
said
don't know.
there's nobody has any question.
Yeah, but
Salem.
Solomon, if you have answer to what I just asked, because what is the need for that capture card?
For
That's
the
audio
MP3
capture
connector,
card.
Huh?
you open your MP3
Audio
connector.
capture card.
You say it's audio card?
Audio capture card.
Okay, so are you saying we need
Once I
it
connect
to?
to this to the same network and come to NDI, it will automatically
Salem, are you not hearing?
Solomon,
Huh?
click on it.
it's like he's not hearing. It's like Salem is not hearing us anymore.
NDI. It says NDI video quality better than normal.
Wallahi.
What are you saying you come to me? Or yesterday?
Coming up to that video camera. I have one video camera here, so this is the video
Hello,
camera.
hello, Salem. Salem, can you hear?
Okay.
So I can use HDMI connecting to
Salem, can you hear us?
I don't have HDMI capture card. This is the HDMI video.
I think you have to wait to raise hand.
This is how
Yeah.
this is the one I have.
Uh,
Then there's another one too. This is another type. But this one is for AV.
if
This is the one I
if you
activate.
don't even see your hand.
You plug it to the system. You from that camera add input option. Add the so once I connect it. This is your camera. Then you see it's AV to USB. Click on this. Yes. Then I turn off the audio. Then I
Okay, maybe we allow him to present. Or afterwards we just ask our questions.
let me connect the
Okay.
camera so that it might
Huh?
anybody that wants to ask question can ask.
What happened now? You were not hearing us all this while.
I was hearing
Eh?
I was hearing you.
Dr. John was asking question, but he has left. Maybe you should just continue.
I did not hear you.
And this call will end in 2 minutes. I hope you can create a new link so that we will all join.
No problem.
All right.
What is this question?
Okay, continue now.
I'm coming.
Is that a digital camera?
Yes, that's camcorder.
Okay. So we were asking that capture card, is it for audio or video?
For video. This one is for HDMI.
Okay.
HDMI.
I thought it was even. Okay.
So sorry, I'm coming.
Before you would have come again, the meeting would have ended.
Bob, let's use that AD wire.
It's about to end though. In the next 3 seconds
Put
now.
this side here now.
Come.
We take those ones from the other house. It's the one that we are looking for.
Sir?
No, sorry.
Sir, you said you wanted to ask a question.
Yes, I asked a question that time, but you are not hearing us. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, the question is, you talked about that sound something, the kind of sound cards that you have.
Yes, sir.
What is it for? Because we have not been using it.
It's it's the same thing like that small one. That small one we are using in church. That small blue one. But this one is a different. They have a different model, like different design. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir?
I think he was asking more on the this thing on the video capture card. That one I told you.
But he was asking for the sound. He said that the sound one.
I know he called it sound. I told you I mistook that stuff for sound
Okay,
card.
okay, okay. They are actually two different things. So this is the one. This is the sound card. The sound card. This is the capture card. So they are different. This one is for the video. For video, if you want to collect video from the camera using HDMI, you wrote HDMI. So this. Okay, this is the audio card used to collect audio from mixer or any other audio input. The next one is for video. If you have a digital camera, you use to collect the video from the video output from the camera. Like this one that is here. This one has HDMI output. So it also has AV output. But this my HDMI capture card is not good. The USB port has broken. So I'm using the one for the AV. The one for the AV. This is the AV. That's for the AV capture card. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is for the AV output. So I'll connect it to the system. Then connect it to the camera using my AV wire. So the AV wire. This is my phone having. Not sure. So I'm trying to. Okay, it's now stream. So this is the camera now. Let me switch it. This is the camera. So the positive. Yeah.
So the one on the live now is the digital camera, is that it?
Yeah, the one on the right. So if you connect it, it just shows blue. That's it for the connection. So that's it for your camera connection. Um, then if you are projecting, if you want to project whatever is on your live screen, whatever is on your live screen to the projector, this is where the full screen is up on here. You turn it on to start showing immediately. Yeah. Then for recording, this is where you record. These are your recording settings, your record settings. You can set this resolution, the size, the frame rates, then press OK. Then you can start recording from it. Then for that live streaming, let's go to the live streaming straight. This is where you add, if you press this one, this settings here, the gear, this thing that is here, click on it, the settings for your for your streaming will come out. Normally you can come here, this profile, this destination. There are different platforms for streaming. You can stream from Facebook here, you just log into your Facebook account here, but you want to use this custom RTMP server. So you go and copy your URL and your stream key for streaming. So let's go to our Facebook. This is my Facebook. So you see, if you open your Facebook on your system, you must see this live stream, except you want to stream on a page. So you can go to your page. That page is here. So let's stream from the Facebook account here. You click on stream, live stream. So you click on the live stream. You see these two options. You can create a schedule for in case you want to live stream maybe on a certain day. You just you create it and give people notification that you'll be streaming on so day. But you want to go live now, so you press on this go live option. So this is the live streaming interface for Facebook. You can use your webcam, your PC webcam, but we don't want to use PC webcam. We want to use streaming software. So you come down. Once you just come down, you see your stream key on your Facebook. You copy it. Then you go to your VMIX and paste. Then you come back to Facebook again. You open this advanced settings. You copy your URL. Then you paste it on URL option. That's just it. Then you close and save this option here. Then once you come to your VMIX, don't click on the settings again. Don't click on this arrow button here. Click on the stream itself. Once you click on the stream, it will be yellow for some time. Then to start blinking red. Once that's connected now.
So what's the work of that persistent stream key? Do you have any idea?
Persisted stream key.
Yeah.
I don't really know, sure, but I think it's if you want to use a particular stream key for different streaming. But I've not used it, sure.
Oh, okay.
So see, it has already connected automatically. But nothing is showing on our VMIX. So let's put something there. The network is stable, that's why it's disconnecting and connecting back again. If the network was stable, this will be shining red consistently. It's not be blinking. Let me refresh my page. The network is not stable. So, but if your video source is connected, this one will be checked. Disconnect video source will be checked. Then the next one, you have to complete your post details. This is where you put your post details here. What your live video is about. Yeah. Let's see. You want to looking something. So once you have written, once you have writing, this one will be checked. And once the both of them are checked, then you can now go live from here. This one will now be, you can now go live from here, but because of the network stability, is not, the video is not connecting. Because I ended the stream and started it again, it has sent an error message. So I'll have to copy this stream key again.
Did the stream key change? Did it change?
And it's like okay. It changed.
Okay.
It was not still connected because of network. But you understand everything now. Once this one is checked and this one is checked, see, okay. Okay, it's now showing. See, this one is checked and this one is checked. So this go live option will now be checked. So once it's two of them are checked, you can now go live. So once you press go live, you are now live already. So in case if you are live and you want to end the live stream, you still come here again. You write end live, or you can come to your VMIX and press end live. Once you end live here, it will automatically end on Facebook too. So any question?
Where is the end life on VMix?
Once you click on the stream here, the place you went to stream, see it stop streaming. So you press yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm showing. So does anybody have any question?
Explain a little bit more on that, on the layering of this thing, of this VMix. What I mean by layering, those inputs, those video sources, the 1, 2, 3 stuff.
Okay.
Like, can you explain a little bit on them? Can I just be clicking 1, 2, 3,
No.
anyone I want, or something?
Okay. Let me come to the for this input. Each input has its own settings. If you double click on the any input, let's say for this hybrid webcam, the settings will pop up. So these are the settings. I'll still come to that then I'll still come back to this multi-view. I'll show you how to do this multi-view. And these are the only options I know how to use here. The rest I have no idea. So let's say for this picture now, this picture, this video here, I want to put it on the live stream. I click once, then it comes to the preview, and I'll switch. If you want to turn off your audio, this is where you turn off the audio for your video.
Please, can you re-share your screen? It's a bit, your voice is ahead of the video.
Okay.
Can you reshare your screen? Reshare your screen. Your voice is ahead of your video.
Is it okay now?
We just started seeing it. Move your cursor. Let's be sure.
Let me stop this stream because the generator has gone off. So I don't like.
Okay. Your laptop off.
Not yet. It has 65%. So let me just be fast. Okay,
100%, right?
65.
It takes really time. It takes time to charge. Oh.
Yeah. So as I was saying, each input has its own settings. So I
Mm.
want to put this. Let's say this is our video. So let me open this our video. This is our video. So double click, you see the settings. So I want to put it on the live screen. Then I want to put this image here. I want to put it on the screen, but I don't want it to, like, this one to go. I want the both of them to be on the same screen. You understand? I want the both of them to be on the same screen. If I just click on it now, like I'll click on this one and I press cut. This
We
one,
don't understand because you're not seeing anything. I don't know if for my network or what. Please, can any other person see his screen? The screen just came back now.
it just came back.
Yeah.
Let me continue. So I was saying that if this is our video and I put it on the on the live screen,
Mm-hmm.
mm, I want to put this image.
Mm.
I want to put this image on the same screen. This image on the same screen. So in order for me to do that, I cannot just come and click on the image, then press cut. If I press cut, this one will come this side. The other one will go that side. So in order for me to achieve that, I can come to this my these numbers here. That's this overlay.
Mm-hmm.
If you click on it, it will overlay on top of the video, to come on top of the video. So let's say that I want to reduce this image now, the size. I'll come to my settings. Is there I double tap or the setting option is there? Come to position. I can resize it from here. Resize. Or I can crop it from here. I can crop. I can cut it from here. From any size. So let's say I will reduce the size. This size here. Then I can move it to any position I want it to be on the screen. Let's say I want it to be on the right side. Or right side down. Here. You bring it down here. Cancel. So this is the image here now. If I want to put it on this live screen, I cannot just come and press cut. If I cut, everything that is here will just shift. Will just shift to the live screen. So but I want to overlay the two of them together. You come here and press it. See, that's overlaid. So this overlays, if you want
Please
to,
come again with the overlay. Come again with the overlay.
I said I can't, if I want to put this image on top the video,
Yeah.
I don't want to swap it, I don't want to change it. Like, I want two of them to be in the same screen.
Yeah.
If I transition it, the both of them just switch, will swap to, like, will swap. This one will come to the preview screen, the other one will go to the live screen. So I'm pushing this one to the live
Mm.
screen, but I don't want to push it to the live screen just like that. I want it to overlay, like, to overlap, to be in front.
Yeah.
So I'll put my video on the live screen. Then you come to this number, any of this number, just press it. It will overlay on top. It will not come in the background. Everything with the image that you want to put will overlay. So you can do that with any other option. Let's say like this one now. this text. So I can, if I want to put this thing on this screen, on this live screen, I cannot just come and press on it and swap. If I transition it, this video will go out. So I can come here and turn off. I'll turn off this one. It will go out. Then I'll turn on this one. See, it has come. But if I want to add like two, I'll come here. This one is number one that I overlaid. This one is number two. I'll come and add the second one. See, it is on top. So as you are going number one, number two, it is overlaying on top, on top, on top. You understand?
So are you the one that choose the size of the overlay?
The
Can you
size.
resize the overlay?
That's what. Yes, you can resize it.
Mm.
You go to your settings. It's either you double tap or you come to this setting. This setting here. Then you see position. You can resize it from here. You zoom out. You zoom it out. And put it to where you want. If you want it to be down, you can
Okay,
put it
you
there.
cannot do a drag and drop resize on that place.
No. You can, yes, you can now do a drag and drop to position, like position
That's what
not.
I'm saying. You cannot.
I didn't get you.
Okay, the drag and drop works only for position,
Yes, for
not resizing.
yes, for positioning. If you want to resize, you come from here. You zoom it out and zoom it in. So I just use here to position. You can also position from here, but it's not that efficient. So that's why I'm using this one.
I know. Like, are you saying that the zoom is the resizing?
Yes, it's the
Like
resizing.
the scaling of
Yes,
the window scaling.
not the window. The let's text something you want to add. This text animation. This stuff now that is zooming
Mm.
out. If you want to resize it, or anything you want to resize, anything that you added that you want to resize, you can resize it here.
Through the zoom. That flower overlay there. If you use that zoom to resize it, will it do as if it wants to cover the screen? That's what I want to know.
And the default is it's covering the screen on default, but I was the one that reduced it. If you add it, let me do this one. This is the normal position. This is the leaf. This is the normal size here. This is normal size. So I was one that resized it and placed it here.
Oh, you resize it with pan X and Y now.
Yes,
Abi, was it
the
with
zoom,
zoom that
the
you
zoom.
used to resize?
The X and Y is, you can use the X and Y, but the X and Y is for the stretching. If you want to stretch it, you stretch it or shrink it.
It's not the zoom that is stretching it.
The no, the zoom is to use both of them. To use both of them. You don't understand?
So which one is scaling? Which one is scaling? I don't mean stretching.
It's
Like
the
which
zoom
one
now.
will just reduce it proportionally?
It's the zoom. The zoom.
Okay,
The
okay,
zoom.
okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
The zoom.
That's the zoom.
But the scaling is at each side. If you want to each side, you want to scale at each side. This one is up to the y-axis. This one is the x-axis. So
Yeah, I get.
then this other pan x and pan y is for position. Different position. But I use this one to drag it and position it. Then we now use this number here, 1, 2, 3 to overlay. I want to move it upwards to this. So, but most of the times I don't use it. I use it for also putting. If I have like two cameras, if I have like two cameras, let's say this video is camera one and this is camera two. Instead of me to come and be pressing, I'll come and press camera
Okay,
one.
you use it as your preview.
Yes. No. I'll use instead of me like in order to your presentation to be smooth. Instead of me to come and press camera one, that's this number two here, and press cut, and come and press camera two again, and press cut. So I just use this.
Yeah.
I just use this one. This is on camera two. I'll press one, camera one to enter. Then if I want to move it, I'll press it again. But if I'm on camera one, if I'm on camera one, I want to put camera two.
Okay.
Instead of coming to preview here, instead of clicking on it and clicking transition, you just come and press it to just overlay. So let's say this is
Sorry, I didn't get you. I didn't get you. No verse, I beg.
this is our camera now. This is our camera one. This is our camera here.
Uh-huh.
This is our camera. And I don't want to. And I don't want to. If I want to add another camera, if I want to put another camera on the preview, let's say I have 2 or 3 cameras. This MVM logo is camera 2, and this welcome to church is camera 3. You get. So I can't come and press. I don't want to. If I press this one now, I'll fade it away. And I want to add camera 3 at the same time. It will take time. So instead I just use the overlay. This is the camera. I'll just use the overlay. I'll turn on the first one, then off it again, then turn on the second one, off it again, then turn on the first one again, off it again, then turn on the second one, then off it.
But the thing there is that one is the topmost layer of the overlay.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah. So if you want to
So
put this
two
one in
come
front,
under.
yes, 2 come in front.
Wait. Okay, that means one is the first
No,
layer.
the first layer.
Two, second layer.
2 is
Three,
second,
third
3.
layer.
Yeah.
And the reason why it's covered entirely was because you didn't scale it down. So once you overlay to just
Yes.
overshadow
It's overshadow.
the
Yes.
previous one.
Yeah. All the scales are the same for the video. If I'm mixing video, instead of me to be coming to press camera 1, I'll come and transition. I'll press camera 2 and transition.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll just
Makes sense.
to make it faster and easier, I'll use the overlay and press it to cover the screen. Then if I want to move it, I'll press it again and go to camera 2 immediately and press it. Instead of
Yeah.
coming to click to come to the preview, then transition.
Yeah. So that default transition effect it's using, can you change it?
No, you can't.
Is it possible?
It's fixed.
Oh, it uses that fade in, fade out transition.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
For the audio settings, if you add the audio, this is where the settings are. So this is your record audio settings. This is your master setting, the one that is the system, the VMIX is using. Then this one's are the other input audio. This one is for this video I added.
Okay, that section is for your
Yes,
audios.
for your audio settings. This is the audio. Then this other audio for the sound the video added. This is the audio set. This is the audio setting. Then this is our audio input. This is audio.
So a video that has audio with it splits the position of the audio.
Yes.
The audio will still be here.
Yes.
This audio side.
What do you say? Let's come to the audio setting, the one I added.
Does it pick this VMix? Does it automatically pick the system audio? I guess it's your system microphone that you are using, ba?
No, it doesn't automatically add it. You have to add it yourself.
How? Okay, from the normal
Yes.
add input, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is where the settings are.
Okay.
So this one you can increase or reduce the volume. So but
Yeah.
there's no audio input, that's why it's not working. So you can increase the
Yeah.
gain and the delay. So these ones I don't know how to use them for the meantime.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Okay.
So this one
Yeah, yeah,
okay, you have a question?
yeah. Sorry, I'm taking you back because I lost audio for some time. If you have a situation whereby something that you don't like is displaying quickly, how can you clear the screen? Maybe give a blank screen.
You
Is
see,
there any blank screen option here?
no, there's no blank option. But
Uh,
you can add a blank screen.
so how do you add that?
You come to your add input.
Mm-hmm.
Add input. Then you see color.
Yeah.
Color. Yeah.
Color, yeah.
Then you make sure the color is black.
Mm.
Or you can make it transparent, but it should be in color. Then you press
Yeah.
OK. Okay, there's the color.
Okay, to add. Yeah, yeah.
There's the color. But I normally advise people they should like there should be something like it's like this flyer or something like that, so that
Okay,
if there's
okay.
any mistake or
So
maybe
that,
you want to do
yeah,
something,
you add
you can just change it
the
and go back.
flyer.
Um,
All right.
does VMix have hotkeys so that maybe you can, just like Dr. John was
Yeah,
asking,
hotkey.
if you want to use that thing as your background, you can just press it, maybe B, so that it will show immediately. Does it have hotkey?
I've not tried it before.
Okay, we'll have to find out.
No problem. So
No, it's all right. With your lesson, I think I can be
I hope
confident to handle VMix.
this this lesson is streamed online.
yes, sir.
One can go and see it. Okay. Maybe Salam let on what.
No problem, sir.
Uh,
So does any other person ask a question?
that's a nice one. We will try this. Today is midweek. We will try on during midweek and give you feedback.
Okay, sir.
I saw Divine here, and is she still around?
I don't know. Let me check.
Oh, she's out.
Okay, okay, that's a nice one. But before I lost my audio output,
Once you overlay, it will
uh,
just overshadow your.
I I wanted to, I was asking you about how your sound card thing,
It's not. It's video like capture card. Not, they have
capture card.
sound card for audio, then capture card for
Oh,
video.
okay. So we don't need it in our own system.
And because we don't use digital camera,
Okay.
it's because of this camcorder that you said, that's why I'm using it.
Yeah.
If you want to use camcorder, connect.
Yeah. Okay.
Salem, how is your church sound generally? How is it?
That's the thing that we really need to talk about the sound. I was lost when you people discuss about this sound thing.
It's not bad.
Salim, where did you click to get this sound? Where we increase sound and
Increase sound, or use to add sound.
yeah, to add sound.
And That's
and
now
increase it.
if you plug in your sound card,
Mm-hmm.
you come to your add input. The system will detect that you've plugged your sound card. Then you come to your add input. You come to your audio input. Not audio. Audio is for songs, or maybe you have audio record that you want to add into VMix. But it's
Mm.
audio input. Then you come to your device. You see the name of the sound card there. The name of the sound card will appear.
Okay.
Then select it. Then press OK. So I just added now.
Okay. Okay.
But if you're adding a separate audio, every other input you're adding, if you're adding a camera, you have to turn off the audio so that it will not be disturbing, disturbing the sound.
Yeah.
This lesson is streamed online.
Yes, sir. So my system is about to off.
All right. Wow.
Okay. But Solomon, just ask you one last question. How is your sound card? How is your sound there in your church?
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Is
clear.
it as terrible as our own?
No, it's not. It's clear.
Do you guys use a better mixer?
Mixer.
Nope. Just ordinary mixer.
Is there any join in your this?
No,
Like, you mean it doesn't have any sound? That background noise.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
It does not.
It doesn't.
But that means your cable connection is straight. You guys are not plugging from one to another.
We are close to the mixer. That's why. We are close, very close. So it's just short wire. If you connect.
I know. There's no bridge. There's no joining. It does. The distance doesn't really matter. I want to be sure.
We connect to the sound card. No joining.
Okay. I think maybe